We will guide you through how to change text texture in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open an existing Photoshop document or create a new one with dimensions that suit your intended design. Select the horizontal type tool from the toolbar or press the T key to activate it quickly. Click on the canvas and type the word or phrase you want to fill with a texture. Choose a bold font with thick letter shapes so enough of the texture will remain visible inside the text. Position the text near the center of the canvas if needed, leaving enough surrounding space to make later adjustments comfortably. Open File on the top menu and choose Place Embedded to import the texture into the current document as an editable smart object. Browse through your computer, select the texture image you want to use, and confirm your choice. In the Layers panel, make sure the new texture layer is positioned directly above the text layer, dragging it into place if necessary. Resize the texture using the visible transform handles until it covers every letter in the text, then confirm the placement. Right-click the texture layer in the Layers panel to open its context menu. Select Create Clipping Mask so Photoshop restricts the visible texture to the shape of the text layer directly below it. Look at the canvas and confirm that the texture now appears inside the letters while the surrounding parts remain hidden. Reposition or resize the texture if needed so its most interesting details appear within the text and no letters contain empty areas. Adjust the texture's brightness or color if necessary, keeping enough contrast for the wording to remain clear and readable. When the result looks balanced, save the project as a PSD file to preserve the editable layers.